Hey, it's Brian from J&P Cycles. Today we're going to show you how to replace the top transmission cover on your M8 Harley-Davidson motorcycle. We're going to do it on this Road King. If you don't know how to remove your exhaust, you're going to need to in order to gain access to this top plate. Check in the description below for our Vance & Hines Pro Pipe exhaust install, and it'll show you step by step on how to remove your exhaust. So now that we have our exhaust removed, let's get started. Using your 3/16 Allen, we need to remove the 6 bolts holding the top of the cover down. When you take the stock cover off, just push your little breather hose back through there because we're going to reuse this. Grab your Arlen Ness cover and route that breather hose back through. Next, grab your Arlen Ness supplied rubber gasket, place it on your cover. Now you're ready to set your cover back on top of your engine. Use the supplied Arlen Ness screws to tighten. When you're finished tightening down your cover, your installation is complete. Feel free to throw back on your exhaust and enjoy. Head over to jpcycles.com and make sure you input your bike on the My Bike Finder to ensure proper fitment.